A metal meter scale gives correct measurement at 0 degrees centigrade. It is generally used at the temperature of 40 degrees centigrade. The correction to be made for every meter is, this is the question. Sixth question, what they told is, they have taken one metal meter scale. Correct temperature is 0 degrees. And it is measured at what temperature means 40 degrees centigrade. And the correction to be made for every meter, for every 1 meter, the correction is to be made, they're asking. So I have taken length as 1 meter. They provided alpha value as 10 power minus 6. And temperature difference, I can take it as 40. How temperature 40 minus 0. Here, what they are asking correction. Correction is nothing but error. What is the error value means I can write delta L equal to L alpha delta T. L value is given as 1, alpha value as 10 power minus 6 and delta value as 40. Delta value as 40. So if by doing multiplying this, I got 4 into 10 power minus 5 meter. This is the error. Now the question is asked, sir, shall we take the added or deducted? What should we take among these two options? I already told you that in last class, whenever you take a metal tape, what I told, when we take a metal tape, the error has to be added if temperature is increased. I told the logic that suppose initially now 0, now temperature is what? 40. 0 to 40 temperature is increased. Temperature is increased means this is a correct reading. We are measuring at 40. So temperature has been more. More means we have to add the error. Already in last class, I discussed how to handle those situations for you. And suppose less than 0 you are taking, then you have to subtract, deduct. And here the temperature correct is 0 and measured is at 40. So we have to take error has to be added, and our answer is second option. 4 into 10 power minus 5 meter to be added. 4 into 10 power minus 5 meter to be added.
A metal tape gives correct measurement at 50 degrees Celsius. It is used to measure a distance of 100 centimeters at 45 degrees.
It is not centimeters, 100 meters.
100 meters at 45 degrees Celsius. The error in the measurement if alpha is equals to 12 into 10 to the power 6
minus 6 per degree centigrade.
1 degree Celsius is.
Yes. What is the first what they give it? A metal tape gives correct measurement where?
50 degrees Celsius.
Correct measurement they have mentioned as 15 degrees centigrade.
15 degrees Celsius.
Okay. But where they are measuring? Measured at where? Measured at 40. Correct is at
45
degrees centigrade. But they are measuring at 45 degrees centigrade. So they are measuring at high temperature or less temperature? Temperature is more or less?
More.
Temperature, what will happen? 15 to 45, temperature increased. Temperature is increased means what should I write? Temperature is increased means I can say that error has to be added. Same sum, what the model we done, previous sum, same model it is. Error, we have to add. Yeah. Now here they are asking directly error only. What is error? I told you error we will be writing it as delta L. Delta L is nothing but L alpha delta theta. Is it correct or not?
Yes.
Delta theta or delta T? No issue. We can write delta theta. No sir, we are happy with alpha, L alpha delta T. Write delta T. Delta T is difference in temperature. So in the question, what they mention here is the length what they have given here 100 meters. Length is 100 meters. Alpha value I can take it as 12 into 10 power minus 6. And the temperature difference I can take it as 45 minus 15. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
So delta T, can I write 30 better?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the calculation here? 100
100 into 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 30.
So I heard in my childhood that 12 threes is 36. Have you heard any time? 36, 12 into 3 is 36. Here 1 0, 3 zeros and 10 power minus 6 is there. So 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 6 means I can write 10 power minus 3.
10 power minus 6.
This is what you need to I have to mention here. I have to mention
Meters.
meter. I have to mention
Meters.
meter.
Meter.
But in option, the type of option I didn't find. But I
Yes, sir.
also know that 36 I can write 10 power minus 3 meter is also nothing but 1 millimeter. Actually, I know one topic that is the relation between millimeter and meter as. What the relation between millimeter and meter means, I can write 1 millimeter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. This is the relation between millimeter and meter. 1 meter means 1000 millimeters. 1 millimeter means 10 power minus 3 meter. So 10 power minus 3 meter, I wrote as millimeter. So from this information, can I tell the fourth option is correct?
Yes, sir.
So we got the fourth option. They're asking error. And error, they didn't ask here whether error is added or subtracted. But we can say that actually we are measuring at 15 degrees centigrade, but we are measuring at now, correct is at 15, we are measuring at 45. That means we are measuring at high temperature means,
High temperature.
already I explained in previous concept that when temperature increases, error has to be added. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Please read 14th question.
Can I read, sir?
Yeah, please read, beta. Please read.
A length of 2 meter is measured using a metal tape at 10 degrees Celsius.
Yes, first length is 2 meters is measured at a temperature of 10 degrees centigrade. So L1 they have given, T1 is 10 degrees centigrade.
10 degrees centigrade.
Yeah.
It is calibrated at a temperature 30 degrees Celsius.
So it is calibrated. Generally, that means what is the original temperature here? Here, what I can write, it is calibrated at 30 degrees centigrade. Calibrated length is the original length. So I have to find the actual length L0 value. Actual length L0 value. It is calibrated at the temperature 30 degrees means T2 is 30. Now you observe which temperature is more calibrated means I have to say where this is the original temperature where it is designed, at this temperature.
Calibrated means this original temperature, sir.
Yes, correct measurement. That means where the scale has been designed, that means the scale designed at one particular temperature, that is correct temperature is 30 degrees. Now they are measuring at T1, that is 10 degrees centigrade. That means they are measuring at low temperature or high, that means temperature has been decreased or increased.
Temperature decreased, sir.
Yes,
so we subtract.
temperature decreased. Temperature decreased means we have to add the error or subtract the error.
Subtract the error, sir.
Whenever temperature is decreased, we have to say we have to subtract error. I hope you are clear the subtract error. So what is the error means? What should I write?
Delta L equals to
L alpha
L.
delta T.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have
that
to
is error, na, sir?
Yes, error. L alpha delta.
Delta.
And what they have given alpha value in the question, let us check the question and write alpha value also. What is alpha value? Alpha value is 10 power minus 4, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So alpha value is given. Now can we find temperature difference? What is delta T? Delta T is difference in temperature. T2 minus T1. 30
T2
minus
minus
10.
T1, that
30
is
minus 10 can I write? 20 degrees centigrade is the
20
difference in
degrees
temperature.
Celsius. Yes, sir.
So I can write 20 degrees centigrade difference in temperature. And now according to the formula, they are asking us to find not only error. This is delta L is only error. but they're asking to find actual length. They're asking us to find actual length. So we understood error must be subtracted. The first point what we understood is error must be subtracted. So from this
So sir,
information, yes,
we
please
have
tell
to
me.
find L naught, right?
Yes, we have to find L naught. So what the measure length is L, I will write it as L. Actually, I think I have mentioned here as L1. Okay, I will write that one also as simply L. Why to write L1? So measure length is L. Now error is delta L. L is L alpha delta T. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So just now I told error must be subtracted. Error must be subtracted means L not equal to L minus delta L. There is nothing but L minus L alpha delta T. Can I write like that?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So here can I take L common here? L common, if I take L common, can I write
One minus
alpha
alpha delta T.
Well done. So L into 1 minus alpha delta T is my formula. What is L mean? Just now we wrote that information. L is
Yes, sir.
nothing but 2
2
meters.
meter.
Alpha is there. Difference in temperature is there. Let us substitute the data. Let us just substitute the data in the formula. You will get our beautiful answer within a seconds. So what is the data there? L value is how much? 2. 1 minus alpha value how much I told beta?
Yes, sir.
10 power minus 4, right?
10 power minus 4.
Delta T is how much beta?
Delta T is
Yeah, observe
20
here,
degrees
20
Celsius
degrees centigrade. So I am multiplying with 20.
into
So
20.
what I will get here, L naught is equal to 2 into 1 minus, what is this one? Let me multiply this one. Why to keep outside the brackets? Let me multiply first. 2
2
minus
on the 2,
2
2
into
minus
20 into 10 power minus 4. 2 into 20 means what should I write? 40. 40 into 10 power
40.
minus 4 means, can I write it as 2 minus, what should I write? 0.02, can I
0
write?
point
Yeah.
02. Why, sir? I
20
didn't
into 10
understand.
power minus 4. No, wait, 20 into 20. First I will write, otherwise 1 minute. I will try step by step. So here 20 into 2 is nothing but 40. 40 into 10 power minus 4. 40 into 10 power minus 4 is nothing but 0.04.
Yes, sir.
0.04 or 004?
0.04.
Check. Correct on your route. 0.004. Okay, beta? Because 4 into 10 power minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Nothing. Simple calculation. 40 into 10 power minus 4. We can write 4 into 10 power minus 3. 4 into 10 power minus 3 means what? 0.00. Then we have to write 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is 2.2 minus 0.004? Can you calculate and tell me what answer we are going to get here? 2 minus 0.004 means, can I write 1.996? Just take the calculation here, 1.996 will get.
Yes, sir.
So my answer is 1.996. What are the units given? Meters.
Meters, sir.
The units, so we get answer is also meters. So from this, I understood the what I am getting here for this problem. Just check now. I am just minimized. First, I have taken L equal to 2 meters. That is given at 10 degrees centigrade. Next, they are asking us L naught. That is at 30 degrees centigrade. This is correct temperature. Temperature has been decreased. That means we have to subtract the error. Subtract the error means they are asking us to find original length. Original length is nothing but L minus delta L. So L minus L alpha delta T I have done. I substituted the data and finally I got 1.996 meter. So that my answer is second option. My answer is second option. Is it clear about this one?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay then.